let's look at this question here. Right now, what we have is in front of the first bracket, there is a number 3 here. So we need to multiply the 3 into all these components in the first bracket. And for the second bracket, you have a -2. So we need to multiply the negative 2 inside all of these components in the second bracket. All right, so let's go about doing that step first. So 3 times minus x will be minus 3x squared. 3 times minus 2x is minus 6x, and 3 times plus 3 is plus 9. Okay, for the second bracket, negative times negative is plus. So 2 times 4 is 8x squared. Negative times positive is negative. 2 times 5 is 10x. And negative times negative is positive. 2 times 6 is 12. Alright, so that is what you have after you first expand both the first bracket and the second bracket. Now what we're going to do is we're going to group them up based on the x squared term, x term, and the constant. Alright, so here I have negative 3x squared and positive x squared. Okay, so you can see the way I do is I always look at the term plus the sign in front of it together. So in that way you do not miss out the plus or minus. Alright, so plus 8 and minus 3 would give me a positive 5x squared. Alright, so it's a positive, so I'm not going to write the plus in front. Okay, for the x component, we have negative 6 and negative 10. Alright, negative 6 and negative 10 would basically mean negative 16x. Alright, and the last step is here, plus 9 and plus 12, which will give me a plus 21. Alright, so that is the answer for this question here. Alright, thank you.